lot of job shops, machine tending automation can truly factor in as a win-win scenario for them. They are typically judging or bidding out jobs based off of the cost of their machine tool uptime. And that's what they're typically factoring in from their cost. And that affects what they end up being able to charge their end customers. It's a combination of the raw material cost and how much time the machine's actually running. We can't do anything about raw material costs. What we can factor in though, and what we can make the impact of, is the machine tool uptime. And for a shop, if they're bidding a job on a single shift operation and what they can do for production, they're going to have to charge a higher premium to a customer, or their cost is going to be at a higher premium no matter what. But when they can increase efficiency, they can bid more aggressive jobs. They can take on more advanced projects and, bigger contracts with companies to help them expand.
Well, and margins are slim. The machine shop customers that I have are all talking about foreign competition, driving down the cost of the products they make. They're looking for every opportunity to save money and increase their profits. And, there's a lot of competition. And, I think when we're able to offer them automation that helps them save money, keeps the machine time up, they're delighted. So Kyle, one of my customers is always saying to me, if you're not making chips, you're not making money. He fully appreciates how important it is to keep his spindles running all the time. And we've been able to help with some of our automation solutions.